In today's video, we are going to cover how to change a Wave password. Start from your Wave account while you are already signed in. Once you are on the main screen, look to the upper right corner for your business or account menu. This is the menu that gives you access to account-related settings. Click that menu to open the available options. When the menu appears, choose Profile Settings. This will take you to the area where your personal account details and security options are managed. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left-hand menu under Profile Settings, click Password and Security. This section contains the controls for updating your sign-in details. After you select it, move down the page until you reach the Change Password section. If the page is longer than expected, keep scrolling until that section is fully visible. You will now see the fields used to update your password. In the Current Password field, enter the password you are using right now for your Wave account. This confirms your identity before the new password can be saved. Make sure you enter your existing password in the correct field, since placing it in the new password box by mistake can cause the update to fail. Next, click into the New Password field and type the password you want to use going forward. Enter it carefully so it matches exactly what you intend to save. After that, move to the Confirm New Password field and enter the same new password again. This second entry is there to verify that there were no typing errors in the new password. Before saving, take a brief moment to confirm that the current password is in the first field and that the same new password appears in both of the remaining fields. The two new password entries need to match exactly, including any capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols you used. Once everything looks correct, click Change Password. This submits the update and saves your new sign-in password for your Wave account. If the system takes a moment to process, wait for it to finish and watch for the page to confirm the change. After your password has been updated, your account will use the new password the next time you signed in. If you keep your password stored anywhere, make sure that record matches the one you just entered so you do not run into sign-in issues later. Thanks for watching. Your Wave password is now changed and saved to your account.